That's good. So Tom's underneath. Here we go, Billy. Listen to that suction, buddy. Duck down, duck down.
That tells you what's up. Look at that duck.
Yeah.
He's not speeding. He's going the right speed. That means you got the right drain.
Look at that action. For 20 gallons, that was pretty quick. Tom, what you look like below? Dry? Good deal. Beautiful. I'd say it's time for rock. What do you think, Billy?
Yep.
There we go.
There is, I'm sure there is, but not out of my mouth.
All right, y'all. Look, so we're getting ready to set the drain, get started with our floor rock. So Billy's getting us buttered up here. We needed two. You know, the Flow FX drain comes with a variety of spacers. Actually, it comes with three. You got a small one and you got two medium-sized ones. So in our case, we needed both mediums and then the actual drain itself. So he's got those pushed in there. So we're getting ready to get these set straight, square right off the wall. And we're going to be putting it right on the back of these as well. Get all this down in here, get it set. And we're going to start working this rock around the drain and moving out towards the walls. How you coming over, Tom?
Slowly but surely.
That's good. Got a rock ready to go. Look at all these pretty colors. Look at all those. Boy, this is going to really take shape. So we got a really cool surprise coming up here for the niche. It's really going to complement this floor and everything we got going on. Bam.
Gorgeous.
Look at that.
Gorgeous.
Look at that. Yep. Here we go. So we're making all these out. Man, that looks wild. Kind of drawing our way over here, and then we're going to start working that around. Coming around this way and work it right out over here where Tom's at. Look at that, bro. We're over halfway. Look at some of them colors. God, it's just beautiful. Shove Billy's little small potatoes over here in the corner. You're in timeout, Billy.
Time out. I deserve it.
We're getting there. All right, y'all. Check it out before the homeowner gets in here. She ain't seen it yet. Let me give you the long view. Look at that guy. That's right. Huh?
So she's getting ready.
Oh, she's getting ready. So the homeowner being here in a minute. Look, sneak peek. Look at all them hit. Just beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh my goodness. Wowza.
You love it?
You like?
Oh, yeah, that is cool.
It is beautiful.
Oh. Wow. That's amazing.
You get lost in all that color.
It's so cool.
We did a close up and got plenty of it on the camera.
That's so cool, guys. That's amazingly good and beautiful.
That's what we want to hear.
Wow. That's cool. Oh, bet you're glad the floor's over.
Yeah. Yeah, we're glad.
This is the most gruesome part.
Yeah,
As
yeah.
far as
The beams, yeah, for the backs for sure.
The beams will be hard, but you'll be in the opposite direction.
Yeah,
Shazam.
it is
Um,
gorgeous.
Oh, it's gonna.
Yeah, so when you walk in and look now, I mean, just boom, and just picture all those beams up there, matching, coming down, scribing right into that tile.
Gorgeous.
Nice and flat.
So tomorrow you won't have to bend over quite so much, right?
Tomorrow we get to do some thinking again. Lay out.
Bam.
You want to come up here and stand? It's beautiful.
That's good.
It's just beautiful.
That's awesome.
Beautiful. My picture to your Aunt Diane yet? And said we found your look-alike twin?
Yeah. I've told her.
Yeah, well, you should tell her to come be watching the videos because you know.
All right, you guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll see y'all back tomorrow. We'll be getting started on the walls, working those up. We got a lot of scribing to do. We're putting that rock up soon on the beams and bringing all this together. And then we're getting ready to start epoxy here real soon because we got some big elaborate pieces coming in here.